Okay, it's another year. So today I'm going to show you how to create a simple calendar using Microsoft Excel. So this is it. So I'll start with my days of the week. Here, I'll start with Sunday. That means I go with Monday. Then as usual, you just drag to the last day, which is, for instance, is Saturday. That's it. So you need to use the sequencing formula for creating calendar. So that means you need to create equal sign, then sequencing. Q here, you just get sequencing. By double clicking, it gives you rows. So how many rows? So because you know the year has 52 weeks, so that means 52 comma columns. Because I have 7 days of the week, that means to be 7. Then start. So this is the calendar type, like how should it look like. So I'll put strings 1 comma /1 for the first day of January 2023. Then put a string, then close the bracket, just like that. So it appears like this. So don't get twisted. Actually, these are the numbers. Actually, they present exactly the same thing of the calendar. So what you're required to do, because these, you can look at it, these are in general format here. So the type of numbering is in general format. So what you can do is just select this, then change here. So you can go with, for instance, if it's a short date, it will be like this: January, February. So for me, I prefer maybe, for instance, a long date. And you can also always customize here. So if I go for a long date, that means, okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So you can look at, so you have all the dates for the entire year. So we can cross check, for instance, maybe December 25. It is on Monday, 2023. It will be, so our Christmas will be on December 25th. So that means you can cross check for our normal calendar in a computer here. That means if you go to another year, then go to another month, for instance, to December 2023. That's it. That means on 25th, Christmas will be on Monday. So this is the way of cross-checking. So by the way, this is the way of doing a simple calendar make for the year 2023 using a sequencing formula like this one here. So I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned something new. And if you want to learn more of this kind of stuff and Excel short tricks, make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you a lot.